how to put your Instagram link on Snapchat. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to put your Instagram link on Snapchat. First, launch the Instagram app on your phone and go to the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Here, you will see the Share Profile button. Tap on it and then select Copy Link to copy the provided link for your Instagram profile. Next, navigate to the Snapchat app on your phone. To attach the link, you need to capture a snap and take a picture or even create a blank snap. After capturing the snap, tap the clip icon on the right side of the screen to add content to your snap. In the pop-up menu, you will see an option to enter a URL. Now paste the link to your Instagram account in the URL field. After that, your Instagram link will be attached to your snap. Once you send your snap, anyone who views it will see a clickable link that directs them to your Instagram profile. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.